Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study community medicine. Begin by understanding the broad scope of public health and its impact on populations. Focus on core subjects like epidemiology, biostatistics, and health administration. Identify key textbooks and reliable online resources for foundational knowledge. Prioritize topics based on their prevalence in public health challenges. This structured approach ensures you build a strong base, making complex concepts easier to grasp and retain for long-term understanding. To truly excel, grasp epidemiological principles, including disease patterns and risk factors. Learn biostatistical methods for data analysis and interpretation, which are crucial for evidence-based practice. Study national health programs and their implementation strategies, understanding their objectives and outcomes. Utilize flowcharts and diagrams to visualize complex public health interventions, as this aids in memory and recall. Aim for a deep understanding, not just rote memorization, to apply knowledge effectively. Application is key. Practice solving numerical problems related to disease incidence and prevalence, which often involve calculations with percentages, like a 25% increase in cases. Analyze case studies to understand real-world public health challenges and their solutions. Formulate community health diagnoses and propose intervention plans, considering factors like resource allocation. Discuss concepts with peers to solidify understanding and gain new perspectives, as collaborative learning can enhance retention by up to 1/3. For lasting retention, create concise notes and flashcards for quick review of key facts, perhaps focusing on a maximum of 150 words per topic. Regularly revise high-yield topics to reinforce memory, aiming for review sessions every few days. Attempt mock tests and previous examination questions under timed conditions to simulate exam pressure. Finally, connect theoretical knowledge with practical public health scenarios, as this contextual understanding significantly improves recall and application. Consistent effort yields the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.